Hello and welcome to this step-by-step guide on filling out the IIT Kanpur application form. Before we begin, please make sure you have all the necessary documents ready which are listed on the screen now. If you haven't already registered on the IIT Kanpur website, don't worry. The registration process is simple and straightforward. However, if you do face any issues, we have got you covered. You can check out the IIT Delhi application link or the guide that we have already uploaded, the link for which has been provided in the description box below, as the registration process is exactly the same. Once you've registered, you can come back to this video and follow along as we guide you through the application form filling process. To get started, click on the IIT Kanpur application link provided in the description box below. And now let's get started. So after you click on the application link for IIT Kanpur, you will have to log in using your username and password. Your username is nothing but your email ID and click on sign in. After you have signed in, on the left hand side, you will see the apply now button, and that is where the process will start. Your title, your first name, your last name, your email ID, and your phone number has been updated already. If you want, you can provide your alternative email ID and phone number. I don't want. Your date of birth and your country has been filled in as well. So let's move to the gender part. Okay. So to fill in the gender, please select the relevant one. Choose your category. If you want to fill in your Aadhaar number, you can. I will not. You have to enter your father's name, your mother's name, and you have to select whether you're a person with disability or not. For me, it's no, so I've selected no. Then you have to choose your religion. I've chosen mine. Then you have to fill in your address. Okay. City, country, your postal code, your state, and if your correspondence address is same as the permanent address, please do not forget to check this box. If it is different, please fill in the details likewise. Once done, click on save and next. After this, we are taken on to the next tab, which is program details, the program that you want to apply for. So for me, it's MSc, and I want to do a regular one, not part-time, not external. And my department will be economics. I've chosen economics. Okay, then they are giving you a link to the department website as well. If you want to click and check any details, you can do so. Then you have to refer to the department website and answer to these preferences. So for me, it's economic science only, and that's the only preference that I want to select because there is no other option there. Okay, after you've chosen your program that you want to apply for, click on save and next. After that, you will have to fill in your academic details. Okay, so here it says that you will have to fill in the details of the qualifying tests. So basically, you have to fill in the details of GATE in JAM. Okay, for here it says except for JAM examination, the score related fields are not mandatory, which means when you're filling up the details of GATE, you will have to fill in the score there. The year that you appeared for, 2025 for me, you select yours. The discipline, economics. Okay, so in discipline, you will not find economics. You will have to find for XH, that was our paper code, okay, which is humanities and social sciences. That is what we have to select here. Then you will have to give your registration ID, the score that you obtained, that you will have to mention, valid up to, that must be written in your scorecard already. Please refer to your scorecard, your rank and your percentage if there is any. After that, if you want, you can fill in the JAM details as well. Okay. Then you have to fill in the details of your qualifying degree. So I have done BSc in economics, so I'm going to choose that BSc. In which discipline? Economics. You choose yours, please. Your grade pattern was percentage or CGPA. You have to choose that. Evaluation pattern was semester basis or yearly. Choose the relevant one. And then you will have to fill in the marks obtained in each year. Okay. And then after you've entered the details of all the 3 years, the marks obtained and the maximum marks, they will automatically calculate a percentage. Then you will have to write the total marks obtained in all the 3 years and the maximum marks for all the 3 years. And again, they will calculate their overall percentage. You don't have to do that. Then if you want to fill details of a higher secondary education, that is your school, or class 10, class 12, or any other undergrad that you have done, for that you will have to select this. So I'm just filling my class 12 details. Yeah, class 12, the year of completion, the board for from which you appeared, the discipline, for me it was commerce, the score that you obtained, the percentage will be calculated automatically. Okay. After you filled in all these details, your UG details, your school details, the qualifying test details, which is GATE and JAM, please kindly save and click on next. Do not worry if you've not appeared for JAM. Even if you've appeared for GATE, you can still fill in this form. But sitting for GATE is important, because if you've not appeared for GATE, you will not be allowed to fill in this form or appear for the IIT Kanpur individual exam, which happens on the qualifying tests of GATE. After that, you will have to start with the experience details. So since I've not worked, I'm going to fill it 0. Okay, I have not had any work experience, so I'm just going to click on save and next. After this, you will have to fill in upload these documents, which is your photo, your birth certificate, your GATE or JAM GATE score, your qualifying degree or mark sheets, and your cover letter, which is the statement of purpose. Okay, so let's start doing it. You have to choose a photo, then you have to choose your birth certificate, your GATE scorecard, your qualifying degree or mark sheets. Make sure they are all in PDF form, and your additional documents. After you upload it all, click on preview and submit. So when you click on preview, it shows what your form looks like. And if you want to make any changes, you can. Please go through it very carefully. And only after you are satisfied with all the information, click on the declaration box. Okay. And click on final submit. When you click on it, you will not be allowed to make any changes. So please be sure that you click only on submit after you're fully satisfied with all the details that you've provided. After this, you will be taken to the payment page where you have to click on pay now and make the payment. And with this, we are done with the IIT Kanpur form fill up guide. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope I was able to help you through the process. If you still have any queries, feel free to reach out to us through the comment sections below, and we'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you so much, guys.